A short video about how to generate your own QR code. It's something that I kind of thought was quite confusing, but it's actually really easy. So you just pull up a window with Google and you type in QR generator. I just went to the second one down, which is the where it says that it's for free, and then you literally just type in your website wherever you want it to go to, obviously when they scan it, and then go to download. And then if you just look here, it's just generating the code. So after a couple of seconds that should be available for you to download. Yeah, that's it. And that's it. It's absolutely super easy. And then if you just try it out with your phone as well, it should definitely work for you.